Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is a classic chocolate chip cookies. They are soft, they are chewy, they are delicious and they are super easy to make. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, we'll need 100 grams of unsalted butter. Now, using a hand whisk, let's quickly cream the butter. If you do not have a whisk, do not worry, you can use a spoon instead. Alright, so the butter looks nice and creamy, so let's add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Now let's quickly cream the butter and sugar until they are well combined. Okay, so do note that the brown sugar that I used was fine in texture. If you have chunky brown sugar, do powder them before adding them to the butter. Alright, so our butter sugar mixture is well combined. So let's add the wet ingredients, that is 1 egg and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well until the batter turns light and fluffy. Now add salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and give everything a good mix. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly shift from the whisk to a spatula and scrape the sides of the bowl. Now add 1.5 cup of plain flour. Mix well to form a smooth and soft cookie dough. Alright, so we have formed a really soft cookie dough now. So let's add half cup of chocolate chips to the dough. Now mix well until the chocolate chips are evenly distributed in the dough. Alright, so our cookie dough is ready. So let's cover the dough with cling wrap and place them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until they are firm enough to roll. Alright, so in the meantime, let's take a baking tray, and I've used silicone baking sheet over here. If you do not have silicone baking sheet, then apply some butter onto the baking tray and then place the normal baking sheet. So it's been over 30 minutes now. Our cookie dough is nice and firm, and make sure your hands are clean, and with the help of a tablespoon, take a heaping tablespoon of cookie dough and using your hands roll the cookie dough and place them onto the baking tray. While placing onto the baking tray, gently press the top of the cookie dough. This step will make sure that the cookies that are baked will be nice and evenly shaped and not irregular in shape. Keep good distance between the cookies because they will expand. So I'd say leave around 2 inches of distance between the cookies. Okay, so our cookies are ready to bake. So let's bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the sides are golden brown in color. Alright, so the cookies are baked now. So I've taken some extra chocolate chips and I'm going to place the chocolate chips on top of the cookies while they are still hot. So I'm just gently pressing them onto the cookies so that the heat of the cookies will melt the chocolate chips and keep them in place. This will make the cookies look a lot more pretty. So this is not a mandatory step. You can definitely skip this part if you do not want to. But I believe placing some extra chocolate chips on top of the cookies will make it look a lot more appealing. Our cookies are done. So once you're done placing the chocolate chips on top of the cookies, let the cookies completely cool down to room temperature and enjoy them as it is as a snack, or have them with tea, coffee or milk, or as you wish. They are super delicious, they are chewy, they are soft, they are decadent. Do give them a try and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.